Hello all, welcome to TechnoStack in the section of Working with Python. Today's question is ask the user for a string and print out whether the string is a palindrome or not. For those of you who don't know what a palindrome is a string that reads the same output, same string forward and backwards equally. So if the string is AZA, then it prints like if it's AZA. So it will be AZA. Even if you reverse the string, it becomes AZA. So such strings are known as palindromes. So for that, let's write the code. We'll first take a variable str, input from the user, enter string. We'll take another variable over here. We'll assign str and we'll reverse. This is a formula for reversing the string. Now we'll take a condition if str is equals to str1. So 2 over here we have taken. So str is equals to str2. Then what shall it print? It should print the given string is a palindrome. Else it should print the given string is not a palindrome. This is basically the program for it. We'll just save it in the name of palindrome. Press F5 to run the module and you'll be asked to enter a string. I'll enter a name. Now you can see this is a palindrome, so it should show me it's a palindrome. The given string is a palindrome. We'll recheck it, the whole program, to see if it's working elsewhere also. Let's type Mumbai. String is not a palindrome. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such content from TechnoStack. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.